Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Junaid Riaz. My errand number is 19 errand 4716. My teacher name is Dr. Adil Anwar. My topic is identification of tillage implements. First, I discuss tillage contents, effect of tillage on soil, tillage implements, primary tillage, secondary tillage. Tillage. The word tillage is from derived two words tilion and teolian, meaning to plow and prepare soil for seed to sow, to cultivate and to raise crops. Tillage is the manipulation of soil with tools and implements for obtaining conditions such as ideal for seed germination, seedling establishment, and growth of crops. Effects of tillage on soil. Effect on soil moisture, that is soil water retention, infiltration. Effect on soil structure. Effect on soil temperature. Effect on soil microorganism. Effect on evaporation. Tillage implements. A variety of tillage implements are used to weaken soil strength, reduce compaction. Tillage implements allow the free movement of water and air in order to promote plant growth. A wide range of primary tillage and seed bed preparation and for crops. Desi and local plow. Main uses are dry plowing for turning crop residues, wet plowing before planting any crops, drilling for drilling and seedling, interculturing in cotton, maize, sugarcane, and puddling. Maston plow. Maston plow is similar to the heavy type in construction. Its parts are smaller and lighter. It is also a lighter draft. The plow has wooden handle and a long wooden beam with an iron body. Primary tillage implements. It is mainly an operation of cutting, pulverizing the soil to a described depth and inverting it to bury crops, stubble, and weeds deep in the soil. Primary tillage implements includes moldboard plow, disc plow, chisel plow, subsoil plow, and rotavator. Number 1, moldboard plow. This is most common primary tillage implement. It can effectively break many types of soil. Its basic function is to cut, invert, and pulverize the soil up to the depth of 20 to 30 cm. The width of plow shear varies from 25 to 30 cm. It is made up of the blade, shear, beam, furrow wheel, jointer, and 3-point hitch to mount on a tractor. Number 2, disc plow. It is primary tillage implement because of its inclined disc blades. It does not cut, invert, or pulverize the soil as deeply as the moldboard plow. It is less effective for those tasks than the moldboard plow. It is more effective in breaking clods in heavy soils. It consists of concave round discs of hard steel 50 to 75 cm in diameter. Number 3, chisel plow. These implements are used to open the soil deeply without turning it over. Chisel plows are similar to reapers and have a working depth more or less equal to conventional plowing depth. These plows are used for special purposes. Number 4, subsoil plow. A subsoiler is a form of chisel plow designed to penetrate to a greater depth. This implement can penetrate to a depth of 50 cm to loosen deep soil layers and promote water movement and root growth. A lot of power, 40 to 60 HP, is needed to pull one shank of a subsoiler at a depth of 50 cm in heavy soil. Number 5, rotavator. Rotavator or rotary plow can be used both as primary and secondary tillage implement. It consists of a set L-shaped blades which are normally mounted with 3 right-handed and with 3 left-handed blades per flange. It can also be used for fine seed bed preparation for vegetable production. Although the depth does not exceed 20 cm, its power requirement is quite high. Secondary tillage implements. Secondary tillage operations are usually performed after tillage operation. Secondary tillage operation is done to improve seedbed preparation, increase soil pulverization, conserve moisture, destroy weeds and crop residues, and perform final field leveling. Number 1, harrows. Harrows are used for a great variety of purposes such as seed beds, covering seeds, and aerating grasses. Disc harrow It pulverizes the soil, breaks clods, kills weeds, chops and incorporates organic matter into the soil and mixes soil amendments. Tillage depth is limited to 15 to 20 centimeter and soil is compacted below 20 centimeter under the action of disc. Number 2, roller. Main objectives of rollers are to consolidate the soil, crust clods and smooth the surface. Number 3, spring-tined harrows. A lighter cultivator which can be adjusted to produce variable effects. Spring-tined harrows are satisfactory for light tillage with little surface penetration, effective for light soils, that is sandy and sandy loam. Spike-toothed harrows. Useful secondary tillage implements for pulverizing cloddy soils in a friable state. Break soil crust. They can also be used together with a plow or harrow for one pass primary and secondary tillage combinations. Thank you for watching my video.